How to use Talabat Credit 2025 method. Most people get this wrong. They order on Talabat and never think about using credits effectively, leaving money on the table. The surprising truth about Talabat Credit in 2025 is that it's now a powerful tool to save money, get discounts, and even combine offers for maximum benefit. Today, we're going to break down exactly how Talabat Credit works, how to use it step by step, and the smartest ways to make the most of it. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add credits, apply them during checkout, manage your balance, and even stack them with promotions to get the best deals every time you order food. Let's start with the basics. Talabat is one of the leading food delivery platforms in the Middle East, offering access to thousands of restaurants, groceries, and more. In 2025, Talabat Credit acts like a digital wallet balance that you can top up or earn through promotions, refunds, or rewards. Unlike coupons, Talabat Credit is flexible and can be used across multiple orders, making it a versatile savings tool. Now, let's talk about adding credit. There are a few ways to add Talabat Credit. The simplest method is directly through the Talabat app. Open the app, navigate to your profile or wallet section, and choose Add Credit. You can fund your wallet via credit card, debit card, or digital payment methods supported in your region. In 2025, Talabat also allows users to receive credit through referral programs, cashback offers, or special promotions, which can instantly boost your balance without spending additional money. Now, let's talk about checking your balance. Once you have credit, it's important to know how much you have. Go to the wallet or credit section in the Talabat app. Your available balance is displayed, along with any pending credits that might arrive from ongoing promotions or cashback offers. Keeping track of your balance ensures you never miss an opportunity to apply credit during checkout. Now let's talk about using Talabat Credit when placing an order. Step 1. Select the restaurant or store and add your desired items to your cart. Step 2. Proceed to checkout. Here, you will see your Talabat Credit balance as an option for payment. Simply toggle the switch or select Use Credit to apply as much as you want from your available balance. The app automatically deducts the credit from your total order value. In 2025, you can choose to use part or all of your credit, giving you flexibility depending on your order size or other discounts. Now, let's talk about combining credit with promotions. Many users miss out on this, but you can often stack Talabat Credit with promo codes or restaurant-specific offers. For example, if a restaurant offers a 20% discount and you also have Talabat Credit, the credit can be applied after the discount, effectively lowering your total even further. This strategy maximizes savings and ensures you get the most value from both your credit and ongoing promotions. Now let's discuss expiration and validity. Talabat credits may come with expiration dates depending on how they were earned. Credits from top-ups usually do not expire, while promotional credits often have a set validity period, typically 7 to 30 days. Always check the terms for each credit to avoid losing them. In 2025, the app includes reminders and notifications to help you keep track of expiring credits. Now, let's talk about refunds and credit reactivation. If you cancel an order or receive a refund for a paid order, Talabat often returns the amount to your Talabat credit balance instead of your original payment method. This is convenient because it keeps your funds within the platform for future orders. In some cases, you can even receive bonus credits during refunds as part of promotional campaigns. Now, let's talk about real-world examples. Consider Ahmed, who regularly orders groceries through Talabat. By topping up his wallet and using referral credits, he manages to apply a portion of his credit to every order, reducing monthly spending by 15-20%. Meanwhile, Sarah uses Talabat credit strategically during restaurant promotions, combining discounts and wallet balance to get her favorite meals for significantly less than regular prices. These examples show that consistent use and strategic planning can lead to substantial savings over time. Now, let's talk about advantages. The main advantage of Talabat Credit is convenience. You can preload your account, making checkout faster and simpler. Credits also encourage budgeting for food delivery, as you can plan your spending based on your available balance. Additionally, promotional and referral credits provide a way to enjoy discounts without waiting for external coupons or codes. In 2025, the flexibility to choose how much credit to apply per order adds an extra layer of control for users. Now, let's talk about potential drawbacks. The main limitation is that not all credits are always combinable with every promotion. Some restaurant-specific offers may restrict credit usage, or certain high-value promos may require direct payment methods. Another drawback is expiration. Failing to use promotional credits before they expire can lead to lost value. Finally, users who rely solely on credit might overlook the best combination of promotions and cash payments for maximum savings. Now, let's talk about tips for maximizing Talabat credit. First, always check your balance before placing an order. Second, keep an eye on ongoing promotions to stack discounts and credit effectively. Third, use referral programs to earn extra credit effortlessly. Fourth, plan larger orders around high-value promotions to apply credit efficiently. Finally, monitor expiration dates to ensure no credits go unused. Now, let's talk about security and payment safety. Talabat credit is stored securely in your Talabat wallet, and the app uses standard encryption for transactions. Payment methods linked to your wallet, such as credit or debit cards, are also secured. Always use strong account passwords and enable two-factor authentication, if available, to protect your balance and personal information. Now, let's talk about the surprising truth about Talabat credit. Many users underestimate how powerful it has become in 2025. With mobile app integration, promotional stacking, refunds, and referral bonuses, Talabat credit is not just a minor perk, it's a tool for consistent savings, smarter spending, and more efficient ordering. The app's notifications and wallet management make it easier than ever to take full advantage of your credit. Now, let's answer the big question. Is using Talabat credit worth it in 2025? Absolutely. Whether you're a casual user looking to save on occasional orders or a frequent customer aiming to optimize every transaction, Talabat credit offers convenience, savings, and flexibility. The key is understanding how to apply it, combining it with promotions strategically, and keeping track of your balance and expiration dates. So let me ask you something. Do you want to keep paying full price every time you order food, or do you want to use Talabat credit strategically to cut costs, earn rewards, and enjoy meals smarter? If this Talabat credit guide helped you, hit the like button so others can learn these strategies too. Subscribe for more detailed app tips, and comment below how do you plan to use your Talabat credit in 2025 to maximize savings. Smart ordering is about strategy, awareness, and using every tool at your disposal, and in 2025, Talabat credit is one of the best tools for getting more value from every meal.